Welcome to our list of baby strollers. In this video, we'll explore the best strollers on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're a new parent or looking to upgrade, we've got you covered with top picks for every lifestyle. After testing and evaluating more than 30 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is the Summer Infant 3D Light Stroller. This stroller is a standout choice for parents seeking a lightweight, durable, and versatile stroller. One of the most notable features of the 3D Light Stroller is its lightweight aluminum frame. Weighing just 13 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver and carry, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. Despite its lightweight, the frame is robust and durable, ensuring long-term use. The stroller offers a 4-position recline, including a nearly flat position, which is ideal for napping on the go. This feature ensures your child's comfort at all times, whether they are sitting up to explore or lying down to rest. Parents will appreciate the large storage basket that can hold up to 10 pounds of essentials. This is perfect for carrying diaper bags, toys, groceries, and more. Additionally, the stroller includes a rear storage pocket and a cup holder, adding to its convenience. The 3D Light Stroller features an easy-to-fold design with an auto-lock and carry strap, making it incredibly convenient for parents on the move. The compact fold ensures it fits easily into car trunks and overhead compartments on planes. Safety is a top priority with the 3D Light Stroller. It comes equipped with a 5-point safety harness that is both secure and comfortable. The harness is adjustable to accommodate your growing child, ensuring they are always safely strapped in. The stroller's anti-shock front wheels and lockable rear wheels provide a smooth and stable ride on various terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets or strolling through the park, the 3D Light ensures a comfortable experience for both parent and child. In summary, the Summer Infant 3D Light Stroller combines lightweight convenience with robust features, making it an excellent choice for parents. Its thoughtful design, ample storage, and safety features make it a reliable and practical option for everyday use and travel. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Our next pick is the Doona Car Seat and Stroller. It is a revolutionary product that seamlessly combines a car seat and stroller into one compact unit. This innovative design is perfect for parents on the go, offering convenience, safety, and style. The standout feature of the Doona is its one-motion operation. With the push of a button, it transforms from a car seat to a stroller in seconds. This eliminates the need to carry a separate stroller, making it ideal for quick errands and travel. Safety is paramount with the Doona. It includes a 5-point harness and 3-layer side impact protection, ensuring your child is secure at all times. The anti-rebound bar provides additional protection by absorbing impact and preventing the seat from rotating in case of a collision. Approved for aircraft travel by the TUV and FAA, the Doona is perfect for families who fly frequently. Its compact size and easy maneuverability make it a breeze to navigate through airports and tight spaces. Constructed from premium-grade materials, the Doona is built to last. It features rust-free aluminum, durable wheels, and breathable, washable fabrics. This ensures longevity and easy maintenance, keeping the stroller in top condition for years. The Doona comes with a range of accessories, including a vehicle seat protector, infant insert and head support, and a latch base for easy installation in your car. These thoughtful additions enhance the overall functionality and convenience of the product. Doona Car Seat and Stroller is a game-changer for modern parents. Its innovative design, safety features, and high-quality construction make it a must-have for those seeking convenience and reliability. Whether you're running errands or traveling the world, the Doona ensures your child is safe, comfortable, and stylish. The next one on our list is the Baby Trend Range Jogger Stroller. Range Jogger is designed for parents who lead an active lifestyle. This stroller combines functionality, safety, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both jogging and everyday use. The stroller's all-terrain composite wheels are a game-changer. They provide superior maneuverability on various surfaces, from smooth pavements to rugged trails. The lockable front swivel wheel enhances stability during jogging and offers easy navigation during casual strolls. Pushing the stroller is a breeze, thanks to the extra-wide, ergonomically shaped rubber handle. This design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands and wrists, which is especially beneficial during long walks or runs. Storage is well thought out with a large basket underneath the stroller, perfect for carrying all your essentials. The parent tray includes 2 cup holders and a covered compartment, providing convenient storage for small items like keys, phones, and snacks. The adjustable canopy with a covered sunroof ratchets to block the sun and wind, ensuring your child stays comfortable and protected from the elements. This feature is particularly useful for outdoor activities, offering ample shade and protection. The stroller's trigger fold mechanism allows for quick and easy folding, making it compact for storage and transport. This feature is ideal for parents who need to store the stroller in small spaces or transport it in their car. For added convenience, the Range Jogger stroller is compatible with Baby Trend infant car seats, allowing you to create a complete travel system. This seamless transition from car to stroller is perfect for parents on the go. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 4 on our list is the Bob Gear Revolution Flex 3.0, a top-tier jogging stroller designed for parents who love to stay active. This stroller is packed with features that make it ideal for both everyday use and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the Revolution Flex 3.0 is its mountain bike-style suspension system. This advanced suspension ensures a smooth ride over various terrains, absorbing bumps and shocks to keep your child comfortable. The stroller comes with a 9-position adjustable handlebar, catering to parents of different heights. This ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and reduces strain on your wrists during long runs or walks. Equipped with air-filled rubber tires and a lockable front swivel wheel, the Revolution Flex 3.0 offers excellent maneuverability. The large rear wheels and smaller front wheel provide stability and ease of movement on both smooth and rough surfaces. Storage is a breeze with the extra-large cargo basket and multiple storage pockets. This stroller includes 6 storage pockets, perfect for holding snacks, toys, and other essentials. The large basket underneath can accommodate larger items like diaper bags. Safety is a priority with the Revolution Flex 3.0. It features a 5-point harness to keep your child secure and reflective accents for increased visibility during low-light conditions. The stroller also includes a wrist strap for added security while jogging. The stroller's seat is designed for comfort, with ultra-padded compression fabric and a near-flat recline. This allows your child to nap comfortably on the go. The seat also has ventilation to keep your child cool during warmer days. The Revolution Flex 3.0 features a 2-step folding process that makes it easy to store and transport. While it requires both hands, the stroller folds compactly, making it convenient for parents with limited storage space. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is the Upper Baby Vista V2, a premium choice for parents seeking versatility, style, and functionality. This stroller is designed to grow with your family, offering a range of features that cater to both infants and toddlers. The Vista V2 stands out with its multiple seating configurations. It can accommodate a single child, siblings, or twins with ease. The stroller includes a bassinet for newborns, a toddler seat, and is compatible with the Upper Baby Mesa infant car seat. This flexibility makes it a great investment for growing families. Equipped with spring-action, all-wheel suspension, the Vista V2 ensures a smooth ride over various terrains. The soft, foam-filled tires provide added comfort and durability, making it easy to navigate both city streets and rougher paths. Parents will appreciate the extra-large storage basket that can hold up to 30 pounds. This is perfect for carrying diaper bags, groceries, and other essentials. The basket's easy access and large capacity make it incredibly convenient for everyday use. The Vista V2 boasts a 1-step fold mechanism that is both quick and easy to use. The stroller can stand on its own when folded, making it convenient for storage and transport. This feature is particularly useful for parents who are always on the go. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Vista V2 is built to last. The stroller's frame is made from durable aluminum and magnesium, while the fabrics are easy to clean and maintain. This ensures longevity and a stylish appearance. In summary, the Upper Baby Vista V2 stroller is a versatile and stylish choice for modern families. Its multiple seating options, smooth ride, spacious storage, and premium materials make it a top contender in the stroller market. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.